Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical water heater, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, water heater each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best water heater from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater. Looking for the best water heater for your home? Meet the Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater, a game changer for mid-range whole home applications. This compact unit provides a continuous, endless supply of hot water on demand, making it perfect for single shower setups in colder climates or multi-use applications in warmer regions. With self-modulating technology, it adjusts power to your hot water needs, saving up to 50% on your water heating bills. Its sleek design is 90% smaller than traditional tanks, requiring no venting and offering flexible installation options, even under sinks. Enjoy digital temperature control for precision and durability thanks to its copper immersion heating elements. Whether you're upgrading your home or seeking energy efficiency, the Rheem tankless electric water heater is your go-to solution for powerful, energy-smart performance. Experience endless hot water, energy savings, and sleek convenience, all in one compact unit. Number 2. LaraLov 11 kilowatt 240 volt electric tankless hot water heater. Upgrade your home with the LaraLov 11 kilowatt 240 volt electric tankless hot water heater and enjoy endless on-demand hot water without waiting for a tank to heat up. Designed for showers, sinks, dishwashers, and more, this heater delivers rapid heating performance to meet your daily needs. With its compact, space-saving design, it fits perfectly into any space, and tankable left only 1 minute after heating up to warm up. The energy-efficient system reduces both energy consumption and water waste, helping you lower utility bills while staying eco-friendly. The LED display allows easy temperature control, while features like rust-proof construction, dry heat protection, and overheat protection ensure durability and safety. Perfect for homes, offices, or commercial spaces, the LaraLov water heater is your smart and reliable choice. With multiple safety protections and a design that resists scale and bacteria buildup, it's a healthier option for your family. Experience instant hot water anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Mizudo tankless 24 kilowatt 240 volt electric water heater. Discover the Mizudo tankless 24 kilowatt 240 volt electric water heater, the perfect solution for instant, efficient hot water throughout your home. Designed for 2 to 3 simultaneous points of use, this compact and sleek water heater delivers powerful performance while saving energy and space. With 99% thermal efficiency, it helps reduce energy bills compared to traditional tank-based water heaters. The digital display and touch control panel make it easy to adjust water temperature to your preference, providing customized comfort for showers, sinks, and more. Measuring just 17-inch into 13-inch into 3.6-inch, it fits seamlessly into tight spaces like walls, garages, or basements. Safety is a priority, with features like overheat protection, leak detection, and separated water and electrical circuits to prevent risks and extend durability. Upgrade your home with the Mizudo tankless water heater for reliable, on-demand hot water that's efficient, safe, and stylish. Number 4. Fogatti natural gas tankless water heater. Discover the Mizudo tankless 24 kilowatt 240 volt electric water heater, the perfect solution for instant, efficient hot water throughout your home. Designed for 2 to 3 simultaneous points of use, this compact and sleek water heater delivers powerful performance while saving energy and space. With 99% thermal efficiency, it helps reduce energy bills compared to traditional tank-based water heaters. The digital display and touch control panel make it easy to adjust water temperature to your preference, providing customized comfort for showers, sinks, and more. Measuring just 17-inch into 13-inch into 3.6-inch, it fits seamlessly into tight spaces like walls, garages, or basements. Safety is a priority, with features like overheat protection and separated water and electrical circuits to prevent risks and extend durability. Upgrade your home with the Mizudo Tankless water heater for reliable, on-demand hot water that's efficient, safe, and stylish. Number 5. Orbek 120-volt on-demand instant hot water heater. Upgrade your home's hot water system with the Orbek 120-volt on-demand instant hot water heater. This compact yet powerful unit delivers endless hot water with a flow rate of 3.6 GPM and 800 BTU heating capacity, serving 2 to 3 fixtures simultaneously. Designed for efficiency and reliability, it eliminates standby energy loss, reducing your energy and water costs. Featuring precise temperature control with smart sensors, the Orbek water heater maintains accuracy within ±1 degree Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent comfort year-round. It's packed with CSA-certified safety features like anti-scald, freeze, and dry fire protection for worry-free use. The sleek, space-saving design 20.5-inch torque into 13-inch into 7-inch fits conveniently into any corner, and the easy installation process with standard connectors makes setup a breeze. Equipped with a user-friendly LED digital display and backed by 24/7 customer service and a 5-year warranty, the Orbek Tankless water heater is a smart and durable choice for your home. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.